Today's topic is base of a filter. We start with a theorem which states that let A be a non-empty family of subsets of a non-empty set X. Then there exists a filter based on X containing A if and only if A has the finite intersection property. Let me recall you similar result we have proved for filter also. We have shown that if A is a non-empty family of subsets of X, then there exists a filter on X containing A if and only if A has the finite intersection property. Let us prove this theorem. Let A have the finite intersection property. Then we have to show that there exists a filter based on X containing A. So let B is the collection of the intersection of finite number of members of A. Then we shall show that B is a filter based on X containing A. Clearly, A is contained in B. Why? Because if any finite subfamily of A contains only one member, then that member will belong to B. And so each member of A is contained in B. Hence, collection A is contained in collection B. Since A is non-empty, it is given as A is a non-empty family. So A is non-empty and A is contained in B. So B is also a non-empty family of subsets of X. Now we have to show that B is a filter based on X. So we have to check the properties of a filter base. As A has the finite intersection property, so no member of B can be empty. Hence, phi doesn't belong to B. Now we have to check the second property. Let F belongs to B and H belongs to B, as both F and H are finite intersections of members of A. So F intersection H is also a finite intersection of members of A. Hence, intersection of F and H belongs to B. Thus, for F belongs to B and H belongs to B, there exists F intersection H belongs to B such that F intersection H is contained in F intersection H. That is, we have shown that intersection of any two members of B contains a member of B. Hence, B is a filter based on X containing A. Conversely, let B be a filter based on X containing A. We have to show that A has the finite intersection property. As B is a filter base, so no member of B is empty. By second property of filter base, the intersection of every finite subfamily of B contains a member of B. Particularly, the intersection of finite subfamily of A, because A is contained in B. So, particularly the intersection of finite subfamily of A contains a member of B. As phi doesn't belong to B, so the intersection of members of finite subfamily of A is non-empty. That is, A has the finite intersection property. Let us recall the result which we have proved in the last lecture. That is, if X is a non-empty set and B is a filter based on set X, then there exists a filter consisting of all supersets of members of B. So, using that result, we have a definition. Let B be a filter based on a non-empty set X, then the filter F consisting of all those subsets of X which contain a member of B is called a filter generated by B. That is, if filter F is obtained by taking all supersets of members of B, then filter F is called a filter generated by filter base B. Now we have a definition. Two filter bases B1 and B2 on a non-empty set X are said to be equivalent if and only if they generate the same filter on X. For example, consider two filter bases B1 and B2 on a non-empty set X containing four elements A, B, C and D, and let B1 consist of three sets singleton A set containing A, B, D and a set containing A, C and D, and filter base B2 contains four subsets of X singleton A, doubleton A and D, and a set consisting of A, B and D and a set consisting of A, C and D. Then we observe that these two filter bases are equivalent as they generate the same filter F containing singleton A, doubleton AB, doubleton AC, doubleton AD, a set consisting of ABD, a set consisting of ACD, a set consisting of AB and C, and the whole set X. And this is a filter on X. So these two filter bases generate filter F. So we can say that these are equivalent. Now we have a very important definition. Let F be a filter on a non-empty set X. Then a subfamily B of F is called a base of F if and only if every member of F contains a member of B. Let me recall you the definition which we have given earlier, that if B is a filter based on X and filter F is obtained by taking all those subsets of X which contain a member of B, that is, if every member of filter F contains a member of B, then we say that filter F is generated by filter base B. And now from this definition we can say that filter base B is nothing but a base of filter F. Now we have remarks. Now the first remark is a collection B of subsets of a non-empty set X is a filter base on X if and only if B is a base of some filter on X, which we have observed here. And now we have a second remark, that if A is a subbase of a filter F, that is, A has the finite intersection property and F is the smallest filter containing A, then the family B of all finite intersections of members of A is a base of filter F, which we have noted in the theorem. Thank you.